We found your missing daughter. After many years, she lived in an orphan home.
My daughter is alive, and I waited for this moment every single day.
Bring her home today, and I want to see my real daughter immediately.
That is great news, and I am happy. And my sister is finally coming home. But everything will change now, and I will not lose my place here.
Hello? Is this really my home? I feel very nervous standing here today. Emma, my child, come here, let me hug you. I missed you so much.
You are finally back. Our family is complete again after many painful years.
Welcome home, sister. And I waited so long to meet you finally today. Thank you, I am happy, but I feel like I do not belong here yet.
Do not worry, I will help you learn everything about this house slowly.
Ava is a very kind girl, and she helped us survive your absence all these years.
Yes, she became like our daughter, and she always stayed beside us strongly.
I understand. I will try my best to adjust and not cause any problems. Of course, sister. We are family now. Everything will be perfect from today. This house is mine. I built my life here. You cannot take it away. Emma, why did you break this expensive vase in the living room today? I did not touch it, and I was in my room reading a book quietly.
Emma, please be careful. These things are important. Do not act careless here.
I am sorry, but I really did not break anything in this house today.
It is okay, Mother. Maybe she is still learning. We should not blame her quickly.
One step at a time. I will make everyone doubt you slowly.
I made breakfast today, and I wanted to help and make everyone happy together.
Thank you, Emma. That is very thoughtful. And we appreciate your effort today.
Oh no, this food tastes strange. Something is wrong with the ingredients here. Emma, did you follow the recipe properly? This does not taste right at all.
I followed everything carefully, and I do not understand what went wrong here.
Maybe she is not used to this kitchen. We should give her more time.
Soon they will stop trusting you completely, and I will stay safe here.
Ava, why are you doing this? And I can feel something is wrong with your behavior. I do not know what you mean. And I am always kind and helpful to you. I lost my family once. I do not want to lose them again like before.
Then stay quiet and accept your place, or things will become worse for you. Mother, can I talk with you alone? But I need to tell you something important. Yes, Emma, tell me. What is troubling you? You look very stressed today.
I feel like Ava is trying to create problems and blame everything on me.
Emma, do not say that. Ava has always been honest and kind with us.
I understand, but please trust me once. I am not lying about this.
You are new here. Maybe you are misunderstanding things. Try to adjust slowly.
Father, I want to explain something. Please listen to me carefully today.
Emma, I trust Ava. She has never done anything wrong in this house.
I am not asking you to choose. I just want you to see the truth.
I finally came home. But I feel more alone than before in life. Emma, why are you crying alone? Do you feel uncomfortable in this house?
I want peace, I want family, and I do not want to fight with anyone here.
Then stop trying to change things, accept reality, and stay in your place quietly.
I will not fight you, but I will not accept lies and injustice anymore.
Then you will lose everything again, just like you lost before.
Ava, where is my necklace? I kept it on the table this morning.
I saw Emma near the table earlier. Maybe she moved it somewhere else.
Emma, did you take my necklace? Please tell me honestly right now.
No, Mother, I did not take anything. I respect everything in this house.
Emma, this is serious. Do not lie. Tell us the truth immediately.
I am telling the truth. I did not touch the necklace at all. Wait, I found it inside Emma's bag, and I cannot believe this situation now. Emma, why would you do this? And we trusted you and welcomed you home. I did not do this. Someone placed it there to make me look guilty.
Enough! We cannot tolerate this behavior. You are crossing limits in this house.
Please believe me. I am your real daughter. Why do you not trust me?
Trust is built with actions, not words, and your actions look very suspicious.
I survived alone for years, but this pain feels worse than everything.
Sir, the CCTV cameras are working again. We fixed the system today. Good. I want to check everything, and something feels wrong in this house recently. Play the footage from yesterday, and I want to see who entered this room. Yes, sir. Here is the video. Please watch carefully what happened that time.
Wait. Ava is taking the necklace and placing it inside Emma's bag secretly.
This cannot be true. Ava would never do something like this intentionally. Sir, the video is clear. There is no mistake in this recording today.
Ava, why did you do this? Why did you blame Emma for everything? I was scared. I thought I would lose everything when she returned here.
That does not give you the right to hurt someone and lie like this.
I lived here for years. I became your daughter. I did not want to lose you. I never wanted to take your place. I only wanted a family and love. But I felt invisible when you came back, like I would be forgotten forever. Ava, we loved you, but your actions hurt this family deeply and unfairly.
We cannot accept lies and harm, and you must leave this house today.
Please do not send me away. I have nowhere else to go now.
You made your choices. And now you must face the results of them.
Wait. Please do not throw her away like she is nothing important.
Emma, she hurt you. Why are you defending her at this moment?
Because I know how it feels to lose a family and be alone again. Emma, you are very kind, but we cannot ignore what she has done.
I am not asking you to forget. I am asking you to give her a chance.
I am sorry, Emma. I was wrong. I was afraid of losing everything.
Fear can make people do wrong things, but we can choose to change.
Ava, you can stay, but you must earn trust again with honest actions.
This house will have rules now, and truth will always come first here.
Thank you. I will change. I will not repeat my mistakes again in life.
We can be sisters, not enemies, if we both choose the right path. Today we learned something important. Love must be fair, not based on fear.
And truth always finds a way, no matter how deeply it is hidden.
I came back for a family, and today I finally feel I have one.
I almost lost everything, but today I got a chance to become better.
Life gave us pain, but it also gave us a chance to fix everything. And this time, I will protect this family, not destroy it again.